Nigeria's enormous population, growing middle class, and need for greater infrastructure investment represents huge potential for the country's insurance sector. But insurance penetration remains below 1%. Joining me are Val Ojumah and Adenrele Kehinde from FBN Insurance. As I said, Nigeria's insurance penetration is very low. Tell me more.
It is indeed very low, and there are many factors responsible for it. Nigeria is a very religious nation, and we believe that God is good enough as our insurance and a protector. Some people see insurance as very morbid and a reminder that death is imminent. Also, there's general lack of trust. After the indigenization law of the 70s, many rich, affluent Nigerians became owners of insurance companies with their families. Unfortunately, some of these owners saw insurance as a personal business, and due to wrong investments, when claims are due to be paid, the money had been invested on long-term and the money is not available to pay claims, which eroded the trust of people. And as you know, insurance is a promise based on trust, and once that trust is eroded, it's a challenge to change people's mindset. We have decided to do things right. We do what we promise by paying claims promptly and by providing excellent services.
In the 7 years that you've been in operation, what would you say is the biggest change you've effected in the insurance sector?
We have been revolutionistic in the way we communicate with our clients, the way we treat our clients. We have decided to simplify the insurance policies so that the gap between what we're trying to say and what they see in our documents is eliminated as much as possible. We have introduced a documentation and a claims processing system that has shortened the decision time to buy insurance and the decision time it takes to complete a claim. Over time, we have paid claims where we shouldn't have, to engage communities in a different way, to correct the ills of the past and make people enjoy the insurance experience with our company.
How does FBN Insurance view the role you play in society, and how are you working with communities to grow that trust again?
It's a role that is important to educate the public about insurance going forward, to bring insurance education closer to the people. Because the only way you can succeed in playing in the retail sector is by making the public part of your business and making you part of the public. Today, what FBN Insurance is doing is centered around CSR among communities where we operate, and some of them are directed at our policyholders. So one of the products that we use specifically for this purpose is a Flexi Edu. Every family in Nigeria wants to send their children to school, but it's probably the most expensive part of every family. So this product speaks directly to those communities and those families. So what we do is use funds from this product to donate to charity organizations, to women organizations, and other community organizations that speak to developing education and educational facilities in their areas. It's come out quite successful in our favor over time.
Val, Adenrele, thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. In our next video with FBN Insurance, we talk more about where the growth potential really lies in Nigeria's insurance industry, so please click through to watch that. And please subscribe for more international insights from worldfinance.com.